Hello guys, welcome to this brand new video. In this video I will be doing something new and amazing. It's gonna be extraordinary in this video. So I'll be continuing with Scratch. So let's begin. So first, as you can see, I am already in the site scratch.mit.edu. Or the application where you guys may be using application way, so any of them. Okay, so directly I'm going to sign in. So okay, fine, so I'm in it. So you guys must have created a project by seeing my last video. So if you have not seen the last video, see this, because I don't think you might not understand this video if you don't see the previous one. Okay, so I'm going to my stuff. Okay, I'm going ahead. I'm going to the project that I've been doing last video. This name is class 2. Actually, video 2 sounds more better. Okay, fine. As you can see, the last video I had ended it like this: a cat sprite, and background as ice. So, and I've added one click move 10 steps. I'm just deleting these two. Or let's keep it like this. Okay, so now, last video we had done this motion and also the events. So motion and the events. So now we will be doing both of them and including one more. So in this video we'll be doing controls, and we'll be doing motions and events also. I mean, we'll do more of motions and events. So we'll be going more into it. So we start with this. So we'll be doing these three stuffs and events, and we'll be going for maybe these four stuffs maybe. Okay, so let's begin. So add any sprites you like. Okay, add some backdrop. So now look, and for now you guys just stop doing it. So first you listen to the video, then after that, then you just continue. You can pause the video and then just start it. Okay, so as usual, when flag click, so whenever you click on the flag, you'll have, then you have to add the motions and move and stuff maybe. Okay, so it'll work like this. Just delete this. So that is when you click on the flag. So same thing. So when you click on the space button and then you add the motions block, motions and move 10 steps. So when I click on space button, can you see? I'm continuously clicking on space button. I can't show that I'm clicking, but of course I am clicking on space button. You guys can try, but not only space button. You can add various buttons like up, down, right, left, any, A, B, C, D. So I'll just try any. Okay, I clicked L. Just now I clicked L. Now O. Now I, P, U, T, Y, R, E. Okay, so I just click some random letters. I'm clicking backspace. Oop. So backspace for just deleting the blocks of it. When I add motions here, I just click on backspace event. So when you select it, then you add when flag clicked and motions, and I just put on 15 degrees. Okay, so currently I'm selecting the when flag clicked. Click on it, it's deleted. Boom. On second, now I'm clicking on turn 15 degrees. Boom, it's done. So it's pretty simple. And so now when the sprite is clicked, so I'm doing it for the specific this cat sprite. So when I click on the cat sprite, something is gonna happen. But so whenever when I'm clicking on space or when I'm clicking on flag, nothing is happening. So now I'm clicking on the sprite. Look, he's moving 10 steps. Look. So that's how you use events when sprite click. Okay, so now look here, as you can see. So now let's begin with the controls. So controls is going to be pretty easy and pretty interesting also. So look, so as you can see here, so we'll be doing these 3 blocks with controls this session. Okay, so forever repeat, wait 1 second, like wait 1 second. You must be knowing what's exactly wait 1 second. So we'll wait for a second. So repeat and forever. So this is, you can change it to 100 seconds, 1000 maybe. So look, so now it'll repeat. So look, as usual, first step is adding any events, any of them. I'll just add the when flag clicked, and I'll be adding turn 15 degrees, and I'll go to controls and bring a repeat block right here. So what is going to happen actually? So when I click on the flag, this is going to be repeating 10 times. So turn 15 degrees, turn 15 degrees, 10 times. So look, as you can see, that it just turned. You see, look, as if I don't have the repeat block, like it turned that much. That's a lot. If I don't have the repeat block, I'll just keep it here. Maybe it won't work. Look, it just turned that much. When I add the repeat 10, so it repeated that thing 10 times just in a second. So look, and if you want, so you can change it. So how are you supposed to put it inside the? It's a loop. So it's actually first I should go to the top. Then look, as you can see, this gray stuff here. So you should when you see the gray stuff, you just drop it. So when you see the gray stuff shown like that, just drop it. Okay. So you can change it to you can change this also to wait, let me just change it 20 times. Look, did you see that? So that was 20 times. It repeated it thing itself. Okay, so now I'm deleting it. So of course you know how to do it. You should just drag it and throw it up here. So now forever. This is going to be. So what will happen now? So this is as you should drop the forever block just like how you drop the turn. So when you see the gray stuff like that, just drop it. Just increase the size. Yeah, I know, I'll increase it. Yeah, okay. So turn 15 degrees forever. As you can see, look at this. It's turning forever. So now when I click on stop, it'll stop. That's what I told. Look at this, it's gonna repeat itself for a long time. So it's pretty easy to do this. So wait 10 seconds. So look. So first forever repeat, I'll type wait 10 seconds. And when I click on the flag, you'll wait 10 seconds. 1, 2. So let's just wait for 10 seconds. Then immediately it'll start rotating. So do you get it? What's happening? So I don't think any of you understood what's happening. A few of you might have understood what's happening. So here, as I've clicked it, so it's going to repeat the thing again and again. So actually, when I click on the flag, so it's going to continue repeating itself again and again and again and again and again. So it's continuing to repeat itself. So as you can see, so it's first starting when I click on the flag. Forever loop is there. And then it's going to wait for 10 seconds. After that, it'll just turn 15 degrees. It'll just turn 15 degrees. No one turn continuously forever. That's because it's going to repeat itself continuously. So look, that's why you see the thing moving continuously forever if I don't add the wait. So you get it, right? So I'll just wait 1 second. So wait. So here, so look, when first it repeats the session, it repeats the blocks again and again. So it goes from the beginning. It starts. So after it completes the code, after it'll go back again. So it'll go like, so first from top, when I click on this, it'll go here and then come back. Here, come back, here, come back. So that's why it's waiting for, so first it's starting from here, it'll wait 10 seconds. Then after that it'll just turn 15 degrees. After that it'll go, and then after that again wait for 10 seconds, turn 15 degrees, again wait so that's why you don't see it moving continuously. So if I remove the wait 1 second, so now you see, now it'll move forever. That's because there's no wait. So that's because it's going to from the start. It'll start from the top, go down, again it'll start. So it's moving forever. So it's first from top, go like this, come up, like this, come up, like this, come up. So it's pretty simple. So this is you can add a few more things. Wait, I'll just show you. I need a proper ball. Oh yeah, okay, baseball actually. This basketball. Okay, fine. So I'm in the basketball. So I'm going to events and clicking on when flag clicked, and then so I'm in the baseball. So that's why when I go to when I go to the cat sprite, so there the code is there. So when I click on the baseball sprite, look, and I've added this. Now I'm going to controls, or I actually go to motion and get a move from 10 steps, turn 15 degrees this way, and bring a forever block. So pretty simple right here. Now let me click on it. So like both the things are turning. So wait, you can add, you can make fun stuff like this, but let me just delete the cat sprite. So look at this. This is pretty fun. So you can actually go to Google and bring stuff from Google. From Google you can bring a lot of various stuffs, and I'll just bring something more interesting. I can okay, yeah, this is actually really nice. I'll just bring a mood tester first. First step is events, as usual. Control, whatever. So this is gonna be very fun. Okay, sorry. Actually, wait. I made a mistake. Where's the guy gone here? Okay. So now move 10 steps. I will add motion and bring go to random position. So go to random position is it'll just go to any position. So it's gonna pick his position by random self. Look at that. Ooh. Oh my god. So look, that's the fun part of this. Scratch. You can make various fun things like this. You can make games, applications. So okay, I'm gonna delete this and I'll bring a turn 15 degrees. So you wanna see the sky turn? It's very interesting. Ooh. So you can actually bring a colorful circle. It'll be a colorful circle so that like you get those stuff. Wait, let me just add a surprise element. A chicken. Okay, let's see what does a chicken do. And so I clicked motion, go to random position. I'll bring this one. I like this go to random position. Okay, I'll put it inside now. Let's turn it. Whoo! Look at that. So the ball is turning. The chicken is going around. The other girl is turning. So look, that's pretty fun. I'll delete this guy. That should look fun. Yeah, look at this. So I can just stop the code. So if you see some like mistake or something, just stop a code. So that you can say like, okay, fine. No, something's coming. Maybe like suppose you're making various bytes do actions. So then suppose you're making various bytes do actions. Suppose you're making this ball move this way, and then you find it takes a turn suddenly or something. So then you can just pause it and then you can check. So you can check which part of the code. Suppose it's a super long code. I'll just make it a long code. Move 10 steps. move 10 steps, turn 15 degrees, go to random position, turn 15 degrees. This way, so look. Okay, that's fast. Ooh, that's fast. Oh my god, look at that. Can you see that? Both of them are going random positions like super fast. Ooh. Okay, so this is pretty easy. And so you guys can also code like this. And so guys, this much. So I'll end this video right here. So thank you for watching this video. So watch my previous video and please subscribe to this channel, but only if you like my videos. Thank you guys. Bye.